Today let's play the curling game. Here it is. Crazy Strike Bowling. We can play it outdoor or indoor. 2 to 4 players can play at a time. It's for kids aging 3+. The objective of the game is to knock all of your opponent's coffers out of their holes before they knock out all of yours. We can play 4 types of games in this set. The first is bowling. The second one is discus. Third is golf. And the fourth one is curling. Let's turn over. Let's see what's inside. Let's open it up. Let's see what this is. We have 2 rubber bands. Let's keep them aside. And then we have 4 cards. 1 for each game. Remember, we have 4 games in this set. So we place the card here, whichever game we wish to play. For now, let's keep them aside. And what do we have here? The bowling pins and bowling balls. And this one's for golf. So we're gonna keep it aside for now. Now we're gonna play the game called curling game. And as I said before, we don't require this one, so let's keep it aside. So now we have these 2 rubber bands. We're gonna put them around these 2 points. We gotta stretch it a bit, and the second one now. Like this. And this piece, it keeps coming back, but we don't need it, so let's keep it aside. And here we have this card that goes right in that slot. So let's insert and make sure it's fixed. And now we're gonna use the curling card. That's what we're gonna play, the curling game. And we're gonna place it in these slots here and these 2 slots at the back. So it goes here and these flaps go right in here. Now let's pick up the ball that we're gonna use for this game. And we're gonna use the bowling ball, which is this one with the 3 dots. Let's place it here. And then we're gonna strike it with the striker. It hits the rubber band and bounces back and comes on the card. So if the ball stops at 10, the player gets 10 points. 20 means 20. And if it comes in between here, they also get points. And if the ball stops here, then the player is out. Let's get started. My turn first. Let's place it under the ring. Uh-oh, I'm out. Now the second player's turn. Alright, no, that needs to be pulled back. And the ball needs to go under the ring. And the trick is that we can really control the speed by which the ball goes, because we need to stop it on the card and not go beyond. I think it was too hard, so it went out. So the second player's out too. My turn again. I'll try to hit it a little slow. Yay! I got 20 points. Now the opponent's turn. Well, he's out. Seems like I'm gonna be the winner of this game. Yay! I got 20 points again. So total 40. The opponent's turn. we're gonna play another game called Discus Game. We have these 4 cards. We're gonna pick up the Discus Game card, which is this one. These are the points written on the card. We have 2 slots here, so the card goes in them, and the flaps go right here in these 2 slots. Make sure it's fixed. Now let's pick the ball from this packet. We're gonna use this one. Now we're gonna place the ball under the ring and strike the ball with the striker. The ball hits the rubber band and comes back to the card, and whichever place the ball stops, those many points the player gets. So let's see which ball we're gonna choose for this one. We're gonna use this ball with 3 dots, the bowling ball. Let's start the game. We're gonna strike the ball with the striker. The ball goes and hits the rubber band and bounces back to come on the card. And whichever point the ball stops at, that's the number of points the player gets. So let's get started. So my turn first. Pull the striker and hit. Yay! I get 100 points. The opponent's chance. Well, he gets 150 points. Because it's between the 100 and 200. Alright? So that's 150 points. And it's my turn again. Oops, I don't get any points. It went far ahead. The opponent's turn. And he gets 200 points! Yay! So the second player is at 350 points, and the first player is on 100. I'll take another turn, and let's see how many points I get this time. Alright. Uh-oh. None. Alright, the second player is the winner. Congratulations! Yay!